every guy can tell you that duct tape can solve just about anything. When I'm looking for a good duct tape, I'm looking for something that is strong, something that's easy to work with, something that tears easily like that, but yet is still extremely strong and won't even change shape when I pull it with all my strength. Now I've had this on the wall for a while, and just to show, it comes off easily, didn't leave any residue, didn't peel any tape or any paint off the wall. So it's great to be pliable yet strong, still gentle enough on the walls, but great for keeping things together. So each roll is 20 yards long, and this is a 6-pack here. So you've got 120 yards worth of duct tape, about 2-inch wide. Highly recommend it. This is by Lockport. Great quality duct tape, highly recommend it. This is the only duct tape that you're gonna need. Thank you to the brand for providing this for me.